you wanna see is where we're gonna be.
At the hot spot.
Fish are by now, gonna show you how.
At the hot spot.
Birds in the air, wanna take you there. Bring it to you the World Wide Way. Doesn't matter the time of day. Set the hook, take the shot.
HSO.
Hot Spot Outdoors.
Well, good afternoon, guys, to beautiful Lake of the Woods County. This is the Lake of the Woods Outdoorsman, Jean-Paul Tessier, coming to you on Monday, September 17th from my beautiful backyard right here in Baudette, Minnesota. And before I go any further, I must say, happy anniversary, honey. Thank you very much for making me the happiest man on the face of this earth 1 year ago today. Thank you very much to all the people that had the opportunity to come fishing with me this past week and weekend, and especially to the guys in the video, Brad and Penny. Hey, they're the uncle and aunt to the Cropduster, and it was all my pleasure to take you guys out, especially to meet your mom, Brad, and your father. That was a true pleasure. Thank you guys very much for everything that you guys have done. Enjoy the video. We had the opportunity to fish out in 31 feet of water out from Zipple Bay. We thought we were going to go out Lighthouse Gap, but when we turned the corner to get out of Lighthouse, there were 5-foot rollers facing at us and dirty water in the gap. We made our way to Zipple Bay to some clean water, which many of you know is true. You got to find clean water when you come up here. And we were in 31 feet of water. As soon as we threw that anchor, it took us about 10 minutes to get our first fish. And then all of a sudden, it didn't stop until we ended the trip at about 1 o'clock. So about 3.5 hours of fishing, we caught about 100 fish. It was fantastic. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And also, at the end of this video, there's a song sung by my father-in-law, which I think exemplifies it all. So enjoy, and thank you guys, because it is truly because of you that I get this opportunity, and for that, I must thank you. Well, this is the Lake of the Woods Outdoorsman signing out on September 17th, my anniversary, saying happy fishing, and God bless. All right, guys, well, welcome back to beautiful Lake of the Woods, and today I'm back down on the south end of the lake with one of my very good friends, Tyler, the Cropduster Ness, who's getting married this weekend. And when you watch this, I'll say congratulations ahead of time, but we're going to see you out there in a little bit there. But I've got Tyler's uncle, Brad, and Aunt Penny, who is all bundled up today, ready to roll in the boat today. And south end of lake fishing, we meet up with one of my good friends, Wiggles, out there. We're going to fish by the Cropduster. We're going to try out by the line, maybe 30 feet of water, see how it is. It's a light northwest wind, 5 to 10 miles an hour, but for many of you that have been up here, 5 to 10 miles an hour may mean 2-foot chop out there, 3-foot chop. We don't know until we get there, and you're going to see it right now. All right, guys, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Big thumbs up from Penny, and here we go. Hang on.
Down in the gear, get it all rolling. Just like the speed break on a fish, get my motor running. And it'll be like going back to Fergus and honey. Get ready to get going, life is about to get started.
boy. Oh boy. How's that one, Brad? Another flinger? Okay. Hey, you can throw that right down, Penny. Oh, nice walleye. Nice walleye. Nice walleye. And this is... Oh, just like that. Look at what we found over here. A couple fish. And what do they call this place? The walleye capital of the world. It could just be a walleye factory. Or it could just be that you're using the Cropduster right there and it's on fire. I love it. I think it's all you. That's what I'm going to say. Oh yeah, there you go, Penny. And all I'll say is Cropduster. Oh, that's nice auger, little thing. That sucker we're taking, and you're gonna eat that for shore lunch somewhere, somehow. Heads, tails, whatever.
I think he could have dropped a plain jig though.
And you have a fish on. Oh. So what that means is that's a nicer fish right there. Oh, another. Nope. Fling him. Flinger right there. And this one doesn't want to be in here, but guess what? He's not going anywhere but home with you. Brad. I think, oh, that's a decent fish right there. That's a decent fish. Penny, if my rod drops because there's a big fish on it. Oh, nice walleye. Nice walleye. And there we go, there's another one. Now, this little bugger doesn't want anything to do with us, but he's coming to lunch with the other right there. Beautiful looking fish on the Cropduster. Wild are okay, but they're never the worst. Oh baby, how's that? Decent fish. Wiggles, you looking for me?
Just got my anchor out.
Okay. Oh, and then I gotta go like just like that, right there. Oh, head shaker.
Record this for me. You want to text me, or are you like free?
Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a flare. That was a nice 20-inch walleye right there. It's a good one right there. Oh, there's Brad. Decent one, or still another flinger? Oh yeah. But that's a walleye. So, which means we're getting back into them, or they're finding us. Oh yeah. Okay, here. Now that we've got that like that, what I'm going to do here is go just like this. We're even going to get another one out right now because... Oh, Brad. Decent one? Okay. Yeah. This here. Oh, nice walleye. Nice walleye. Oh, baby. And that one just came right out. Catch and release. The lure. And the fish. Right there. I love it. Is it holding? There, you may have to just get right behind me over here and let me cut a little bit of it for you. Another little flinger there. Oh, another walleye right there. It's back in the game. Look at that. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, nice. 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 This is what I'm talking about, Betty, right here. This is what I'm talking about right here. Oh, nice walleye. That one's coming home with you. Now just open up that bail right there. There you go, right there. Oh, baby. Oh, there's another one. Oh, yeah. Oh, that one's a big fish right there. Nice walleye. That's another eater. That's what we're looking for right there. I mean, all these guys out here should be carrying some Cropdusters with them on these wavy days. I'm telling you.
Obviously.
It's a. Would you put one of those in your tackle box?
I'm going to be putting some in my tackle box.
I love it. Watch. Look at this sucker right down there. Watch this sucker. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on. Here, I'm just going to give him a little... Look at that. Oh, baby. Flinger. Heck, I'm saying maybe if you even throw it right here, I might be able to block you enough. Hello, guys. How are you doing? Oh, he's been flinging them in all day. Oh yeah, another nice sauger. And we're taking this one with us because
This is fun.
there you go, right there, Wiggles, all day. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I may goose hunt tomorrow morning. Oh, we saw 1,000 geese yesterday, and we were hunting over by one of my buddy's places. They went right over us and right to the soybean field that he had just harvested right across the road. Oh my goodness gracious. Nice fish. Okay, there you go. Nice walleye. Nice walleye. Is that a sauger? That's a walleye. That's a sauger. Look at the size of that sauger right there. Unbelievable. And once again, that's all I gotta say. Coop dusted up, baby. Cropduster. Okay. Okay. That's a nice... Yeah, that one I may need the net on. Oh yeah. Nice walleye. Nice walleye. That one I may have to throw back here, but... Oh man. We're just having fun, right? Russian. The walleyes right there. Oh, there you go, right there. And what do we got? We got 20.5 inches. So he's saying, "Come up and get me because I'll still be in the lake." And there he goes for one of you. All day and catch like a couple fish, right? There you go. Set the hook. Set the hook. There you go. Yep. There you go. Oh yeah. That's okay. You never know until you get them up here. He may be swimming with you. Nice wall. Nice sauger. Nice sauger. Oh my goodness. Yeah. There you go. And this right here, just another beautiful looking fish up here. That we'll have to say, catch you next time, little buddy. Catch you next time, Penny. Catch you next time.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Man, I just got that sucker down there. Just let it sit right there on the bottom. Just lifted it up just a tad. And he was like, "I want to come with you." Nice walleye. That's a great looking walleye right there. Absolutely. Glitter glow, fish scale, glitter glow. There you go. Just like that, right down. Oh! Yep. That's okay. There's fish down there. Okay, get that up here because you may not have a minnow on there anymore. After that, no, still do. Drop that sucker right back down there. And when that bites again, instead of just reeling, I want you to jerk up on that sucker like you're touching the sky. And what that's going to do is that's going to take that hook and put it right through that fish's lip. That was a nice fish right there. Oh yeah, there you go. Yep. Okay. What do you mean you don't know? I say you're coming home with us. Right there, nice walleye. Nice walleye right there.
Well, thanks for the help.
Oh, what do you mean? You did it.
I can't believe you dropped the
What?
dog.
And there you go. Right there. And there's the lure. Little glitter, JR's tackle, and fantastic. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, there you go. Yep, just keep this thing. Oh yeah. Oh. Yep, come on. Oh yeah, baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. There you go. Just open the bail and you're should be good to go. Right there. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's a little double. Yours has got to be a lot nicer than mine. Look at this one right there. Oh, nice. Beautiful sauger up there. Man, that is just ridiculous. Those little buggers. Oh, and there you go. There's a triple. right, guys, believe it or not, that was a fantastic, unbelievable half day of fishing that we had out here on September 13th. And a special thank you to Brad
Thanks for having us. It was awesome.
and Penny, who's all bundled up right there. Say hi, Penny.
Hi.
Oh, did you guys have fun out here?
I had a blast. You're the
Great.
greatest,
Fun.
JP.
Oh, you are way too kind,
No.
and I'll say that. Hey, and
Thank you very much.
hey, congratulations, Cropduster. I know they're up here for the wedding, and I'll be there sitting in the seats, wishing you luck. But until then, this is the Lake of the Woods Outdoorsman signing out from the walleye capital of the world, even on a little windy day, saying happy fishing and God bless.
Boom, 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 boom. Ah! Help! They're shooting at me. Where can I hide? Oh no, where did my mom go? They're gonna make stroganoff out of me. Ah! Mom! Mom! I'm so scared. I don't like to be alone. Dear God, I'm lost and really alone and scared right now. Please be with me and help me find my family. Amen. Oh no! I hear someone coming! What if it's one of those hunters?
The whole world in my hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
Oh, it's just you, Axel.
Ah, Bear, don't eat me.
Axel, it's just me, Thornberry.
Oh, man, you scared me half to death. I was just getting ready to fire some quills at you. I'm meaner than I look, you know.
I am so glad to see you. I lost my family when I heard gunshots, and I started running and hid in the woods here. I think those hunters want a new handsome bear rug for their cabin, and I am totally the cutest bear around. So help me hide, Axel, or I'm going to be Sunday stew.
Oh, brother, and I just about tenderized you in the face full of acupuncture. Now that would have been cute. Hey, chickalets, they're shooting at geese in the sky, not at you, Thornberry, so don't be scared. You're a big bad bear, not a goose or a chicken. Remember Moses in Deuteronomy 31?
Oh, yeah. Be strong, be courageous, for the Lord your God will be with you. He will never fail you or forsake you. You're right. I'm a bear. Roar! Thanks, Axel. I better go and find my family.
Yeah, before you start sprouting feathers again. What was that? Oh, nothing. See you, Axel. See you, Thornberry. Bye. Bye, kids. See you next time.
I'm not ashamed to call myself a Christian. I'll proudly bear the reproach of Calvary. I'll lift my voice, I'll praise His name forever. I want to tell the world what Jesus means to me. He changed my life, now everything is different, and everyone can see the change in me.